What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro against the Nubia Red Magic 3. The Redmi K20 Pro is the new flagship killer, and the Red Magic 3 is a very affordable gaming phone. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU and 8GB of RAM, a heavily skinned version of Android versus a stock version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Redmi K20 Pro. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Nubia Red Magic 3. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Redmi K20 Pro wins by 4 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the scores are tied at 14 points each. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the K20 Pro won by 4 points. However, in round 2, the scores were tied at 14 points each. As for the price difference, the K20 Pro can be had for about £400 depending on where you buy it from, and it is not widely available, so you will have to import it from China. There could be import charges until the Mi 9T Pro is widely available. The Red Magic 3 is a very affordable gaming phone with top of the end specs. However, I found the software quite buggy and the OS just felt unfinished. However, that could change with software updates. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do you own or plan to buy any of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as there are more videos coming up including camera comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.